The Alabama Department of Public Health is recommending Alabamians refrain from eating certain species of fish in some local rivers and lakes across the state.
They've issued an advisory of which fish species we need to avoid. The goal is to let people know the potential health risk associated with consuming certain fish.
News 19's Daryl Burke joins us in the studio with a breakdown of the statewide fish advisory and what everybody needs to know.
Greg, it's not just largemouth bass, but it's also where the fish are located. As many of us know, fishing is a huge deal across North Alabama, but before people return to their local lakes and rivers, they should know that there are certain fishes that officials are recommending you avoid. Take a look at these fish advisory maps for northwestern and northeastern Alabama, with the red parts representing bodies of water with certain species of fish that officials say people should refrain from eating.
It's different size fish, it's different species of fish.
After lakes and rivers throughout the state were evaluated by the Alabama Department of Environmental Management, some fish were discovered to have high levels of mercury. If consumed in high rates, mercury can lead to problems within a person's central nervous system, as well as possible cardiovascular concerns. Jerome Ham with the Alabama Department of Environmental Management says recommended fish consumptions vary.
The Department of Public Health decided, that, you might could eat one serving a week or two servings a week.
For example, Lake Gunnersville's Town Creek houses largemouth bass, in which the advisory recommends people refrain from eating. However, Widows Creek, also a part of Lake Gunnersville, houses the same fish, but the advisory for this body of water limits consumption of largemouth bass to once a month. The advisories focus on certain species of fish that officials say can be harmful, but for areas with fish advisories, swimming, boating, as well as catch and release fishing is considered safe. Officials with ADEM say for people launching their rods, they should be aware of the information that's around local lakes and rivers.
What we're concerned about at ADEM is getting our message out to folks, and we have, completed putting signs up across the state, and they all have a QR code on them where people can scan them, and then they can see, the fish consumption advisories where they live.
Now, that statewide fish advisory will run through the end of the year. We'll have a link on our website to the fish advisory map for people across North Alabama. There, you can find visuals of the different bodies of water that are affected by the advisory and which species of fish you should avoid. That can be found at WHNT.com. Emily?